Taking the Nintendo Switch on a trip? Instead of bringing the OEM dock and charger to keep the Switch charged and connected to TV, take this little charger hub instead. Hi, this is David Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox and check out this little charger hub for Nintendo Switch from Acefast. See if it can indeed replace the Nintendo dock and charger when I travel, or anywhere really, like in a different room at home. Thanks for Acefast for sending this out for me to try and share with you. As always, what I share on Tech for Baba are my own experiences with tech and my humble and honest opinion. Subscribe to the channel for more content on technology that can make our lives better. The charging hub comes in a simple white box. Inside the box, there is the charger, a nice beefy USB-C to USB-C cable, and a quick start guide in English and other languages. That's it. At first glance, this charger hub looks just like another compact 65-watt gallium nitride charger like this one from Acefast with 2 USB-C port and 1 USB-A port. They're almost the same size and weight. The charger hub is a tad bit thicker. It's about 2 inches by 1.2 inches and 2¼ inches long. Weight's about 7 ounces. It's matted black all around with folding plugs in the back. Very compact and easy to carry around. There are 3 ports in the front, an USB-C port that could charge up to 60 watts, and USB-A port that could charge up to 5 watts for a total of 65 watts. What's different about this charger hub is these ports can transfer data and this third port, a HDMI port that supports up to 4K 60Hz video transmission. The charger hub also comes with this thick and nicely braided 6-foot 100-watt PD USB-C to USB-C data cable. When we travel with the Nintendo Switch, all we need to do is plug the Nintendo Switch into the USB-C port with the provided USB-C cable, then connect an HDMI cable from the charger to a TV or a portable projector like what I've done here, and we get Switch Sports on a big screen. By the way, the portable projector we travel with these days is the XGME Alpha. I'll put a link to the review video I did here and in the description below for you to check it out. In addition to the Nintendo Switch, this charger hub works with phones, tablets like the iPad Pro, and PC and Mac laptops like my MacBook Air. When my MacBook Air is plugged into the USB-C port of this charger hub, it'll get a USB-A port for an external mouse or a USB thumb drive, and HDMI port for outputting video to a monitor or TV. If I plug the charging hub in, the connected MacBook Air will be charged through the USB-C port too. At about $50, this Acefast charger hub for Nintendo Switch is a great deal. There are additional discounts from time to time in a link I'll include below. It's a great little charger hub. Much cheaper than the Nintendo OEM dock and charger. It works with many devices other than the Nintendo Switch. And most importantly, it's much smaller. Perfect for traveling or another quick setup in any room of the house. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What Nintendo accessories do you bring with you when you travel? I'd love to hear about it in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.